Now let's talk about the today LeetCode problem. Problem name is sum of GCD of form pairs. We have given an integer array nums of length n. So first we have to construct a prefix GCD for the each index I. How the prefix GCD will be calculated? A GCD of nums of I and max of I. After constructing the GCD, we have to sort this GCD vector in a non-decreasing order. After sorting, we have to make the pair smallest unpaired element with the largest unpaired element. And we have to repeat until no pairs can be formed. Then for each pair, we have to compute the GCD of two elements. Which two elements were the smallest one and the largest one. If suppose n is odd and the middle element in the prefix array remains unpaired, it should be ignored. It means suppose we have 1, 2, 3, and we have paired the smallest one element, that is 1, and the largest element 3. We can have paired the 1 and 3, and if only one element is left, we can ignore that image, that this statement means we can easily ignore the two. What we have to do here, we have to return an integer denoting the sum of GCD values of all paired, all basically we have to return sum of all GCD values of all formed pairs. The term GCD comma B is the greatest common divisor of individual, as we already know what is GCD. So let's take an example and we will proceed. After that, we will proceed to how I have solved this problem. We have given nums 264. First, we have to calculate the prefix GCD. We have takes nums of I and the max of I. The current index is 0. We have nums of 0 is 2 and the max one is GCD will be 2. Similarly, for the index I, nums is 6 and the max will be 6. The GCD of 6 comma 6 will be 6. Now for the next element is 4 and the max value is 6. So the GCD of 4 comma 6 will be 2. After calculating the prefix GCD of I, we have this 2 comma 6 comma 2. After sorting, it will become 2 comma 6. Now we have to pair first the smallest element and the largest element. For pairing, we have to calculate the GCD of 2 comma 6. So we GCD of 2 comma 6 will be 2. So our sum will be stored as a 2. And at the end, we have, as the earlier in the above page, question and answer, if n is odd, middle element remains unpaired and should be ignored. And we can ignore this unpaired element. That's the sum is 2 and this will be our answer. Now, how I have posed this problem, uh, I have simply implemented what the each step are described. First, I have created the array size and its column slot size and the variable max, which contains the max value of each index and the vector which is prefix GCD. And for all numbers in the norms, we have taken the max value and the element and taken the stored the GCD of max and element and push that GCD value on our prefix GCD, that is PC vector. After that, I have sort the PC, that is prefix GCD. Then after I have taken the long because when adding the elements of GCD, it can be overflow the teacher range. So I have declared the arrays in the long, especially for the rest, not for the index. Now I have declared the two iterator L, which can be understand as a left iterator, and R is a right iterator. It will start from the last index, and the you have to start from the zeroth index. Now I have iterated until the L less than R, that is, and calculated the largest and smallest elements GCD and add that result on the rest. Here I have each time I have incremented the uh, L and the decremented the R until L less than R. And at the end, I have written the rest. Rest, that is the that's all about the today's problem. Now let's talk about the time complexity. Basically, it will take um, right rating whole array. And it will take sorry, it will take the call and log in and it also some of time we go can say we have provided half of the array written by you and that's all. And we have we can say for overall time of complexity it will retain its own log plus and plus oh one thing I have forgotten the GCD will take some time that is uh, we go off log of you can say max value here also it will take some time we go off log of max value so it will become log of max what also would be Max. That's the overall time complexity. We say, and now discuss the space complexity. We will continue of that's all overall time space complexity will be space plus sequence to evolve, and that's the overall space complexity, the time complexity. That's all about today's problem. Thank you.